Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert rows or columns in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. First, open the document where you want to work. Here's the document I'll be using to demonstrate how to insert rows and columns. It's actually pretty simple to do. Let's say we want to add more columns in this document. For example, we want to add 2 more columns next to the dates list. To do this, simply select the 2 columns next to the dates list that you want to add the new columns to. Then right click and from the menu select Insert. Just like that, the 2 new columns will appear next to your selected columns. It's that simple. Now the same process works for rows as well. If you want to add more rows, just select the number of rows you want to insert. Right click and click Insert again. You can do this for any number of rows, whether you want to add just 1 row or multiple rows at a time. If you only need to add 1 row or 1 column, you can just select a single row or column, right click and follow the same steps to insert it. It's really that easy to do and it saves your time. So that's it. That's how you insert rows and columns in Excel quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.